Creating 100% unique videos from text can. In this step-by-step guide, we will explore how you can transform your text into a visually appealing and distinctive video. The first step is to utilize AI text-to-video platforms. These advanced tools can generate videos from text by creating engaging visuals, animations, and adding relevant background music. Some popular AI platforms include Pictory AI, which generates videos using images, animations, and background music, and Synthesia IO, which uses AI avatars with customizable looks and voices, making it feel like a personalized video. Another option is InVideo, which provides templates to create customized videos based on your script. Next, it's crucial to create an original script. The uniqueness of your text will add value to the final video product. Customize the language, style, and tone of the script to align with your message, ensuring it stands out from the crowd. To enhance your video further, consider adding a voiceover and background music. You can record a personal voiceover to give the video a unique touch, or you can use voice AI like Murf.ai for distinct narration. Additionally, carefully select background music that complements your message and enhances the overall video experience. Now it's time to use video editing software to bring your text to life. Import the generated visuals into software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or mobile apps such as CapCut or KineMaster. These tools offer a wide range of features, allowing you to add additional elements, effects, and animations to create a truly unique video. For added exclusivity, consider using AI-generated effects. Advanced tools like Runway ML or Descript can help you incorporate specialized effects into your video, such as unique transitions, color grading, or stylized effects. These effects will make your video even more captivating and distinctive. After you have finished editing, review the video to ensure it aligns with the original script and looks unique. Pay attention to details and make any necessary adjustments before exporting the final product. It's important to export the video in high quality to achieve the best results. By following these steps, you can create a unique, high-quality video from text. Remember, the key is to utilize AI platforms, create an original script, add voiceover and background music, use video editing software, add AI-generated effects, and carefully review and export the final product. Making use of these techniques and tools will help you stand out and create videos that captivate your audience. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.